Eden Brothers offers gardeners one of the most diverse seed and bulb collections available online. Many of our heirloom and organic varieties are hard to find at local garden centers.
All of our products are hand-packed and shipped from North Carolina. And from day one, we've only offered 100% pure, non-GMO seeds with no fillers.
Gardeners rely on us primarily for our extensive variety of bulbs like dahlias and peonies, as well as custom wildflower mixes, specialty flower seeds, and for award-winning vegetables and herbs.
We introduce hundreds of new varieties every season.
Every grower has a unique vision, so we post customer photos and reviews on our website.
We have an amazing space for people to share their own gardening experiences. We also provide educational resources at edenbrothers.com to ensure success.
We're committed to nurturing the next generation. We donate seeds to schools, libraries, community centers,
any place that chooses to educate people about the benefits of gardening.
In 15 years, we've helped millions of people all across the United States grow healthy food and beautiful flowers.
We do all we can to unlock our customers' potential, and we plan to keep growing.